Hi, this is Woodpecker Furniture. We love a new leather sofa collection. This leather sofa is made up of fully genuine leather, and it gives you a fully luxury collections. And you see the sofas, it has a beautiful comfort level. And this sofa is mainly made for Indian customers, where it is a medium hard. It gives you more durability, and there will be no any peel off issues in future. This sofa you can get in 3-seater, 2-seater or single seater, and also this sofa can be made in recliners like corner recliners, L lounger, 3+1+1. And in the near time of period, you will not find any sagging on the sofas. So it has a multi-color options also available on the sofa. So if you see the price, it's a so attractive price which we are giving, where all the customers are affordable to buy the sofa. So why are you waiting? Just step into Woodpecker Furnitures and see a wide range of new collections of leather sofas and enjoy with a loved one.